Hey everybody, it's Heath from domyown.com. And if your lawn is looking patchy, thin, or just worn out after the summer, don't guess, and this video will help break down whether you need to seed or overseed this fall, and how to do it right. Let's start with the basics. Seeding means starting a new lawn from bare soil. It's ideal if you're dealing with large bare spots after rebuilding construction or something like that, or replacing a dead and weedy lawn. Overseeding, on the other hand, means adding new seeds to an existing lawn. It's best when your lawn is thin but still have a healthy stand of grass. Overseeding helps thicken your turf, improve its color, and boost resistance to drought and disease. So how do you know which one your lawn needs? It's more than 3/4 of your lawn is dead or covered in weeds or completely bare. It may be best to start fresh with seeding. This gives you a clean slate to build a healthy, dense lawn from the ground up. But if your lawn just looks a little bit thin or tired, overseeding can bring it back to life. It's also a smart way to introduce better grass varieties without tearing the entire thing out. Here's a few key differences. Seeding requires more prep. You'll need to either aerate, loosen, or till the soil, rake it and smooth the soil back out, and apply a covering like wheat straw or peat moss, and keep it moist while the seed germinates. Overseeding is less labor intensive. You'll want to mow the lawn low, dethatch if needed, then aerate and use a spreader to evenly broadcast your seed. And then water lightly and often until the new grass takes hold. Before planting new grass seed, figure out what type of grass you have. Is it a warm season grass like Bermuda or zoysia? Or is it a cool season grass like fescue or Kentucky bluegrass? Warm season grasses grow best in hot climates, while cool season grasses prefer cooler weather. This can vary depending on your region. Knowing your grass type helps you choose the right time and the right type of seed. If you're unsure, domyown.com and your local extension office can help identify it. For warm season grasses, plant in the spring after the last frost, when soil temperatures are at least 65 degrees and the air temperatures are above 80 degrees. It typically works best from mid-April to June, depending on where you live. For cool season grasses, fall is the best time to seed. When the weather is mild, but the soil temperature is still warm. Plant at least 45 days before the first expected frost. In the north, plant from mid-August to September. And in the south, or transition zones, you can plant as late as October. After planting, water your lawn regularly to keep the soil moist but not soggy until the seed is sprouted. Water once or twice a day for a few minutes. Once the grass grows and reaches about 1.5 to 2 inches, you can cut back on the watering once to twice a week depending on rainfall. You might also need to fertilize depending on your soil test. Starter fertilizers help new grass grow, especially ones with higher phosphorus. Always follow the fertilizer label for timing. Finally, avoid using herbicides before and after planting, as they can harm new grasses. If you're applying cool season grasses, you can apply mesotrione as an active to prevent weeds at the time of seeding. Check labels for proper timing, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you're still not sure, we are happy to help here at domyown.com. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more DIY product videos and tell us what you'd like to see more of.